In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unwax a copper golem in Minecraft 26.1.2. If your copper golem has been waxed, it will stop oxidizing. That means it will stay in its current copper state until the wax is removed. If you want the golem to continue aging and changing naturally over time, you will need to remove that wax first. To begin, find the waxed copper golem that you want to restore. Make sure you are close enough to interact with it directly. This process only works on a copper golem that already has wax applied, so check that you are using it on the correct mob before you continue. Next, equip an axe. Any standard axe that can interact with waxed copper should work for this action. Open your hotbar, select the axe, and hold it in your hand so the game recognizes it as your active tool. You do not need any special enchantment or extra item for this. The axe is the main tool used to scrape wax from copper surfaces, and the same idea applies here with the copper golem. Once the axe is equipped, move your crosshair over the copper golem and use the interaction button. In most cases, that means right-clicking the copper golem while holding the axe. When the action is successful, the wax will be removed from the golem. This is the key step in the process, so make sure your cursor is aimed directly at the copper golem when you interact. After the wax has been removed, the copper golem will return to its unwaxed state. At that point, it can begin oxidizing naturally again over time. This means it may slowly change appearance as it ages, just like other copper-based blocks and entities in the game that are no longer protected by wax. If the interaction does not work on your first attempt, check that you are definitely holding an axe and not another tool. Also, make sure the copper golem is actually waxed. If both of those are correct, try aiming more precisely and interacting again from a closer position. That is the full process. Find the waxed copper golem, equip an axe, right-click the golem, remove the wax, and let it oxidize naturally again. That covers everything you need to know.